Did I reveal the face of the kidnapper of Savannah Guthrie's mother? Well, we're going to take a look and find out. I did this a long time ago, and I kept waiting for the FBI to show some type of sketch by taking the mask off. Okay? You can still see the eyes there. You can see the distance of the eyes. You can see the flashlight in the mouth, right? So one of the first thing I did was I wanted me to isolate the person from whatever that's in the left hand. That could be zip tied, it looks like. And that's what I got in isolation. So you can still see the eyes, right? The distance of it, the flashlight, and then I lighten it all up. I want to make sure that I kept the bone structure and everything the same. So I want to keep the bone structure the same, but the light is still there. And I said, okay, well, as we all know, those of us that had these type of small mag lights, we know if you hold them in your mouth, you can have a circular type mouth, right? And the mouth is able to do that. So still got the eyes there, right? Keeping the dimensions, everything else the same. Then I wanted to do a blank thing again. So what I did was got rid of the eye color that was the default that it had at the beginning. I wanted to keep just the eye socket and keep everything in place and keep so that way it's just like I shaved the mask off and this is what I got, the blank canvas. So if you want, go ahead and take a snapshot of that if you're a detective and see what you can work with. Okay, you can also take blank shots of my work and see what you come up on your own. And you'll notice the face is the same exact, right, as the mouth. Okay. And that's so now I'm starting to bring in color. So I'm using Chat GPT and technology, AI to add the eyes, but making sure that everything is exactly the way it was but wearing a mask. All the dimensions are the same. Okay. And that's what I came out with there. And I started adding hair. And then I took the mag light out to try and get hopefully the mouth correctly. So we don't really know what the mouth looks like, but I believe everything that is there. So this is saying if the subject is clean shaven, could this be what he looks like? Clean shaven, take a picture of that, a snapshot of that. Then I said, well, what if he had a mustache, right? And facial hair. So let's go back to the mustache. We slide back a little bit, right? The mustache. And I added facial hair. And I added a full grown beard in case somebody's trying to hide out. So my question is this the face of the kidnapper, possible kidnapper? I don't know. I'm not making any type of scientific clue about it. I was assuming that the FBI would have done something like this and said, by peeling off the mask, we may be looking at the face um, of the kidnapper. So this is not a professional forensic thing. This is just me just working with ChatGPT to peel off the mask, and I had to use it like almost a razor blade to keep going back and forth to make sure that it kept the bone structure and everything the same. Okay, so and that's the thing, to make sure that the bone structure remained the same. So if you took the mask off, this is what I got with the flashlight in the mouth. This is what I got. So that's why I want other detectives out there to help out and stuff. See, they can use the same process. See what they come out with, right? They can start just from the beginning. They can start from this photo right here. I start from the beginning, okay, and then work their way like I did by slowly peeling off the mask, putting it in the daylight, right, and doing that, and then that right there is the most important right there. You see, and just working through and maybe just to jog somebody's memory and stuff. So the most important I need you guys to do is to tag somebody with it. Make sure you share this out. Who knows? I mean, I could be on the ball or, you know, but let people know it's not professional. So I don't want anybody arresting somebody or citizen arrest or whatever. If you know something, you make sure you contact the FBI or whatever. I didn't send them my work because I wasn't sure if it would stand up, if didn't want to waste their time or something like that. Okay. All right. If you could tag Savannah Guthrie on this, maybe she can get them to do that, to get more of a professional to say, yeah, let's do this. Let's use his process. Let's see if we can peel the mask off. All right. I talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.